Good morning everyone, my name is Mohd Haqimy bin Muhammad Rosmady, matrix number 208316, and today my partner and I will be explaining the difference between transitive and intransitive phrasal verb, which is the verb that is often overlooked by most ESL students and a few ESL teachers. It's important to note that if you are properly learning grammar and if you truly understand grammar, you must be able to identify all the different types of verb. Now, phrasal verb is unique because it is commonly used in formal writing and also our everyday conversation. That's why it's important to tell the difference between transitive and intransitive phrasal verb. To cut it short, a sentence which is implementing the transitive phrasal verb must contain an object. There are four elements that must be present, which are the subject, the verb, the particle, and the most important one, the object itself. As you can see from the example I've included in the background, example number 1, he put on his lab coat. Without including the object, the sentence will read, he put on. He put on what? It becomes incomplete. And from example number 2, he helped out his students. Without the noun, he helped out on what exactly? It becomes incomplete. People will start to wonder, communication will not be effective. Therefore, transitive phrasal verb is truly an important subject when it comes to English.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and thank you Haqimy. My name is Muhammad Fakhrullah bin Zakaria and my matrix number is 205232. So now I will be talking about intransitive phrasal verb. So in intransitive phrasal verb, there are no objects stated in the sentences because in intransitive there are three elements which are subjects, verb, and also particles. There will be examples that I will show you later in my presentation. So it is also often action verbs and occur frequently in the imperative sentences. So why does this happen? Because usually intransitive phrasal verb is commonly found in conversation but very rare found in formal writing. That means intransitive usually used in informal settings. Let's go to the examples of intransitive phrasal verbs. First and foremost, Elliot started over. See, there is no object stated. Second one, Ayman grew up in Texas. There is subject, verb, and particle. And the third one is they got back early. The similarities between these three sentences is actually there is no object stated, and that what makes them as intransitive sentences. Thank you everyone.